How can you tell if yogurt is healthy? Yogurt is a popular and nutritious food that can be part of a balanced diet. But with so many options available, it's important to know how to choose the healthiest yogurt. Here are some simple ways to determine if yogurt is healthy. 1. Check the ingredients. Start by looking at the ingredients list. A healthy yogurt should have a short list of simple ingredients. Avoid yogurts that contain added sugars, artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Instead, choose yogurts with natural ingredients like milk, active cultures, probiotics, and fruit, if flavored. 2. Look at the nutrition facts. Next, check the nutrition facts label. Here are some key things to look for. Protein. A healthy yogurt should have a good amount of protein, which helps keep you full and supports muscle health. Calcium. Yogurt is a good source of calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. Probiotics. Look for yogurts that contain live and active cultures, which are beneficial bacteria that support digestive health. Sugar. Be mindful of the sugar content. Choose yogurts with low or no added sugars. Opt for plain yogurt or varieties sweetened with natural sweeteners like honey or fruit. Fat. Consider the fat content based on your dietary preferences. Full-fat yogurt can be a healthy option if you're not watching your fat intake, as it can help keep you satisfied longer. 3. Check for additives. Avoid yogurts that contain artificial additives like thickeners, stabilizers, or artificial sweeteners. These additives can detract from the overall healthiness of the yogurt and may have negative effects on your health in the long run. 4. Consider the type of yogurt. There are different types of yogurt available, including Greek yogurt, regular yogurt, and dairy-free alternatives like almond or coconut yogurt. Each type has its own nutritional profile, so choose the one that best fits your dietary preferences and needs. For example, Greek yogurt, higher in protein and thicker in texture compared to regular yogurt. Regular yogurt, smooth and creamy, with a moderate amount of protein and calcium. Dairy-free yogurt, made from plant-based alternatives like almond, coconut, or soy milk. Check the label for added sugars and fortification with nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. 5. Consider your dietary needs. Lastly, consider your individual dietary needs and preferences when choosing yogurt. If you're lactose intolerant or following a vegan diet, opt for dairy-free alternatives. If you're watching your calorie intake, choose low-fat or fat-free yogurt options. Ultimately, the healthiest yogurt is one that aligns with your overall dietary goals and lifestyle. Determining if yogurt is healthy involves checking the ingredients, nutrition facts, and additives, as well as considering the type of yogurt and your dietary needs. Choose yogurts with natural ingredients, adequate protein and calcium, live and active cultures, and minimal added sugars. By making informed choices, you can enjoy yogurt as part of a nutritious and balanced diet. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel to receive more informative health content.